and show you how I would use some of this deluxe ribbon in a large Halloween bow. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it like a taco, cut it towards the sunshine. I'm going to go about 22, 21, 20, 18 to 20 inches. It's going to have some streamers. Oh, wait, let me make sure. Yep, I'm good. So put it down in here. This is called the toaster. That's what I call it. Twist it. Pull it. Now this needs to have at least 8 to 10 inch loops. If it hangs off the side, that's okay. You need to be using your mat so you can measure it, okay? So I know that those loops are right at 10 inches. Again, I'm using the mat. Now that's going to come right down here. Now, let me show you something. These are big old Nellie Olson bows. They're a flyer, okay? Kind of in cheerleading, if you were the top girl, you were a flyer, right? That's who we lifted in the air. You were a flyer. This is the flyer. Now, say you want this a little bit too long, okay? But remember, for a big bow, you're going to need a long streamers. So you just lay that bad boy in there. We're going to come in here with another streamer, put it in the toaster, twist it. So I'm going to come into about 8 inches. Oh yeah, I got enough. The end of the roll kind of gets a little janky. Just like this, we're just kind of laying it all flat. Now we have another piece. Put it in there. It doesn't matter where you're going to put it. We're going to trim it down to size a little bit. Okay? So now you're going to come in here with some of this deluxe ribbon. Come down about 20 inches. Pinch it. Big old loops, babes. Put it in the toaster, twist it. Come over here. Lay it flat. Just like that. Now we have this one. You can just lay it in there however you'd like. It does not matter. Or actually you could use this one so it's not too close to the other one. Just lay it in there. It doesn't matter which way you go. It's all going to be big. It's all going to come out in the end. It'll be fine. We're going to come down here, put it in the toaster, twist it. Just make sure the loops are big, at least 8 inches. We will straighten them up here in a little bit, but right now they need to be bigger than life. Okay? Big old loops. Keep your loops large if you're doing this for like a mailbox bow or anything like that. That's more than likely what I will be doing this for is a mailbox bow. Now, I'm going to come back in here. I want this ribbon, but I do not. Actually, that's a lie. So if you are able to hand tie a bow, if you like want to leave that there, you can just pinch this, twist it, make your loops big, twist it, just like this. You got your big bow in your hand. We're going to put those tails down, and then all you have to do is lay that in there. Okay, so now I have this. I'm going to do, not do an orange on orange. If I do, it's going to be this stripe, and I'm only going to do another layer of a tail. Remember, if you have extra ribbons, do not think twice about just throwing them in a tail. Now, this is what I really wanted to use. So I'm going to, do you see the look on my face? Just let me through what I'm about to do. I don't know these so much. These 5/8 ribbons, they are some of my all-time favorites. They rock my face off. They're just so fun to use. So I'm going to try and get them even over here. I like to throw some extra tails in them. But I'm putting them in the front, which normally I would put these in the back. I'm not this time. I'm throwing them right in the doggone front. Now, what I am going to do is I'm going to take a zip tie. Before I try to lift this loosey-goosey, moosey-goosey thing out of here, I'm going to go ahead. Now, hold on. I lied. I do want to do one more loop with this ribbon. It's going to be a funky tail, though. So I am going to do it about 34 inches long. Don't judge me. Don't come at me. Maybe even longer. Oh, yeah, way longer. I'm going to fold it in half. It's going to have a big 8-inch loop. Pinch her neck. Kick her leg out. Twist her booty behind. I'm going to lay that right down in there. Okay? Don't judge me. This is a no judgment zone. Okay? All right. So we're going to come in here. I'm going to put my zip tie in there. And now we don't have to marry it together forever and ever, but we do need to kind of boss it around a little bit, because if you go to jacking with this, okay, you hear it? That was not me. I did not Rudy toot. That was this. You need to make sure you scoot that zip tie over where that club sandwich forms. That little crease. Now, the fun part is about to happen. Okay. All right. So I'm going to move this buckle of this zip tie to the back. Now this is a big old ribbon. Now I don't want that zip tie to show. I just don't. So I'm going to take a piece of this 5/8, and if you have a piece of unwired ribbon, it works great too, but I don't glue it. I will just tie it. I will just jerk a knot in its tail. So I just knotted it, and I covered up that tail. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and fix this hot mess to where it's beautimous. Okay? So I know that starting back here, I have to start laying out my tails, fold it like a taco, cut it towards the sunshine. Getting those tails cut. They can be at all different lengths. These are all wired ribbon, if you have not known that. Okay, so what I've done is I've created this big, giant Halloween bow that you could put on a tree. You could put it, these are really good for mailboxes. That's usually what I sell these big ones for. If they have 8 to 10 inch loops, it's usually going to be a mailbox bow. Especially with these larger tails like these, or these streamer. Ooh, that's real long. What happened here, Home Slice? So look how cute that is with all these extra big ribbons. And can you picture that up against a big mailbox? And these extra little 5/8, them are delicious. How fun is that, you guys?